What's this?
Sweet.
What's this? This? What? What's this?
Socks.
Is this a dog? Teddy bear. What's this?
Trucks.
Trucks. Very good. What's this?
Bowl.
Balls. This?
Leaves.
Leaves. This?
Duck.
Ducks.
Shoes.
Shoes. What color is this?
Pink.
Very good.
Flowers.
What color is this flower?
Yellow.
Very good. This? What color is this? What color? Do you know what color is this? Is this blue?
Orange.
Orange.
Cake.
Cakes. Yummy.
Star.
Cars. What color is this?
Gaming.
What color is this car? Andy. Ito na lang. What's this? That's right.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. What's this?
Gaming.
What?
Art.
Heart.
Buttons.
Buttons. Very good. What's that?
Dog.
Yummies. Ay, you don't eat that. It's a this drawing. Yummy. What's this? What's this, baby?
Orange.
Eto.
Apple.
Very good. And this?
Nanas.
Banana.
No, nanas.
Yummy. What color is this? Andy, what color is this? Huh? Can you tell mommy, is this red?
Green.
Green. Hindi maloloko.
Ay.
Very good. What's this?
Toy.
Wow!
Toy.
Is this one, what's this?
A castle.
Castle. Sand castle.
Wow. Dog.
Very good. Do you love Daddy?
Yes.
Oh, Daddy loves you too. What's this, Andy?
Boys.
Strawberries. And this? What's this? What's that? Time for your check. I'm gonna check your ears, check your eyes, find out know what you do. Time for your check. I'm gonna listen to your heartbeat, fix you up, ready to go. It's okay if you giggle. It's only you giggle a little. Say open wide. Ano ba yan? No. Finish. Very good. What number is this, Andy? What number? Andy, what's with your ears? No, ha? Babay ka na. Bye. Dali. Ay, aray ko.